Imagine you're driving a car with no destination. You'll keep driving, but where will you end up? Maybe nowhere. Goals are like the destination for your life. When you know where you want to go, every step you take will bring you closer to it. And the best part? Goals give you something to look forward to. They make every day exciting because you know you're working towards something amazing. How to set clear goals. S stands for specific. Be clear about what you want. Don't say, I want to be fit. Instead say, I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months. M stands for measurable. Make sure you can track your progress. A stands for achievable. Your goal should be challenging, but not impossible. R stands for relevant. Your goal should matter to you. It should make you excited. T stands for time-bound. Set a deadline. Deadlines push us to take action. When you use this method, your goals become more than dreams. They become plans. Motivational example. Here's an example. Imagine someone who wants to save money. They set a goal. I will save $500 in 5 months by cutting down on eating out and shopping. Every time they skip a coffee run, they're one step closer to their goal, and when they reach it, they feel proud. They've achieved something because they had a clear goal. Take action today. My friends, don't wait for the perfect time to start setting goals. Start now. Take 5 minutes after this talk and think about one goal you really want to achieve. Write it down. Make it specific. Make it meaningful. And then, take the first small step. Remember, even the biggest dreams start with a single step. I'll leave you with this. Life is too short to wander aimlessly. Set your goals, chase them, and watch how your life changes. You have the power to create the future you want, one clear goal at a time.